Ready to ditch bookmark chaos and bring your favorite websites into the sleek world of Arc? Alright, let's get those bookmarks imported. First, look for the 3 horizontal dots in the top right corner of your Arc browser window. Click on that menu. It's your gateway to Arc settings. In the drop-down menu, hover your mouse over File. A submenu will appear to the side, revealing more options. Now, in that submenu, you'll see the magic words Import Bookmarks. Click on Import Bookmarks to start the import process. A file selection window will pop up. Navigate to the location where your bookmark file is stored. This is usually an HTML file, often named bookmark.xml or something similar, depending on which browser you exported them from. Select your bookmark file and then click the Open button. Arc will now begin importing your bookmarks. You'll see a quick progress bar. And voila! Your bookmarks will appear on the Arc sidebar. You might find them in a new folder or neatly integrated into your existing structure, depending on how they were organized in your previous browser. Now for the fun part, organization. Feel free to drag and drop your imported bookmarks into different folders, spaces, or even create new folders within Arc to keep everything tidy, and that's it. You've successfully imported your bookmarks into Arc. Enjoy browsing.